We shall now hold a results briefing of Takashimaya Company Limited for the fiscal year ending February 2016. We shall first explain the results for February 2016. As for the result points for the year ending February 2016, the first and foremost point is that the mainline domestic department stores saw a favorable growth in high-priced goods and inbound demand. The second point is the strength of major subsidiaries. The third point is that the consolidated results show revenue growth for the sixth consecutive year and sales and profit growth for the fourth consecutive year. And there is more. We shall now see the consolidated results in detail. In addition to the strong operating revenue in the domestic department stores, the consolidated subsidiaries also expanded their sales and saw growth in revenue. As for operating income and ordinary income, although the domestic department stores saw a decline in their profit due to a decrease in product profitability, the operating income saw an increase, though not to the planned extent, due to improved earnings of the consolidated subsidiaries such as Toshin Development Company Limited and Takashimaya Space Create Company Limited. As for net income, in addition to the ordinary income, the extraordinary income from the selling of shares has increased profit, thereby helping achieve the planned profit. We shall now explain the full-year plan for the fiscal year ending February 2017. The first and foremost point of the full-year plan is sales and profit growth in domestic department stores by strong inbound demand and business policies. The second point is an increase in SG&A expenses due to an increase in the initial costs associated with new business startups. The third point is for the consolidated financial results to see profit growth for the seventh consecutive time. We shall go on to explain about the consolidated plan. With regard to the operating revenue, in addition to the domestic department stores, the domestic consolidated subsidiaries aim for steady growth in revenue and an increase in sales. As for operating income and ordinary income, there has been a temporary increase in cost with the opening of Takashimaya Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, etc. However, with a focus on an increase in profit of the domestic department stores, we plan to steadily expand revenue with major consolidated subsidiaries also, such as Toshin Development Company Limited, and thereby see profit growth. As for net income also, we aim to increase profit with ordinary income as the main factor. We shall continue to explain about the results in each segment. We shall first look at our efforts for inbound sales. Tax-free sales for 2015 saw a twofold increase from the previous year and achieved its goal of approximately 30 billion Japanese yen. To continue to bring inbound consumption demand this year also, we have a target of 35 billion Japanese yen, which is a 5 billion Japanese yen increase from the previous year through various measures. For travelers from China, who account for 80% of the tax-free sales, we are looking at a partnership with Ctrip, the largest online travel agency that a majority of the Chinese travelers use, and with immigration to Japan, we shall continue to promote our store online. Furthermore, with the new addition of Alipay payment from February this year, we are working on the development of a stress-free shopping environment. We shall now see the overseas strategy. We shall continue to use the brand power of Takashimaya Singapore Limited and its business know-how as management resources overseas. Regarding the future of overseas expansion, we shall continue to expand business. The basic idea being the set of real estate businesses that focus on Toshin development. We believe that the business development which integrates the commercial facility management, department stores, and real estate lead the way to achieving early profitability. We shall go on to explain about the real estate industry, that is, Toshin Development for real estate business. Toshin Development Company Limited demonstrates the role of being a Group 2 backbone company, and along with the department store business, it is also promoting the Machi Dukuri strategy as a group on the whole. Toshin Development manages the shopping center that includes Tamagawa Takashimaya and Nagarayama Otaka no Mori. And as for overseas, Toshin Development's wholly owned subsidiary, Toshin Development Singapore Pte. Limited, operates Takashimaya Singapore Shopping Center at the core of the group's overseas strategy. In addition, we have participation from the real estate and commercial facilities management businesses of Vietnam's Saigon Center. Fiscal year 2015 saw growth in sales and profit thanks to the strengthening of the sales capabilities of the shopping center businesses, and an operating income of 10 billion Japanese yen was achieved. Fiscal year 2016 shall continue to witness the promotion of the Machi Dukuri strategy, with its long-term vision of the future image of the city, through Nihonbashi redevelopment plan and existing shopping centers. Toshin Development, which is engaged in Takashimaya and real estate businesses, which in turn are engaged in the department store business, promote the shopping center business in an integrated manner, and this shall act as our advantage in the retail industry. Toshin Development does not stop with attracting tenants and facility management. We believe that the characteristic feature of Takashimaya Group's shopping center business is building a system to work integrally with the promotion of sales, services, and the assortment of department stores and specialty stores aimed at the satisfaction of the customers visiting the stores. In the Machi Dukuri strategy, our department stores and shopping center, that is, the Yakata buildings, is considered as one of the elements of the city, and in conjunction with the revitalization plan, cooperation with the government, and collaboration of railway companies and areas surrounding markets and shopping centers, we can carry out Machi Dukuri bustling with activities with the local community, and increase the visitors to the town. In addition, in the buildings, Toshin Development's real estate business shall take advantage of the specialty stores attracting management capabilities and space production force that enhance the building value, and shall continue to build a commercial facility that addresses the changing city's needs and trends in every region. With a lifestyle proposal that the customer has never experienced, brands that not only the department stores know of, product development, and impressive cultural events, we propose to create a buildings that is exciting to walk around, while also in the midst of a peaceful atmosphere. This shall lead to an increase in the visitors and their staying time. We shall continue to throw light on the long-term plan of the Takashimaya Group. We shall first see the concept of this time's long-term plan rolling. Although the domestic economy is expected to see a gentle recovery, we are faced with domestic structural challenges such as a decrease in population, an aging population, etc. In particular, the re-raising of the consumption tax for the next fiscal year is expected to have a negative impact exceeding last time, and the depressed customer spending is found to be inevitable. Moreover, the impact on the world economy caused by the deceleration of the Chinese economy is a matter of concern, and such factors contribute to the future economic outlook to be an opaque environment. The long-term plan that stands on the premise of such a business environment aims at achieving the profitability, efficiency, and safety of the whole group by focusing primarily on the domestic department store business, with the real estate and finance developing into second and third core businesses, by strengthening the cooperation among the three businesses and demonstrating their respective synergies. Aimed at the realization of this growth strategy, we shall make a strategic investment for businesses that generate new revenue sources, starting with the real estate development by Toshin Development. We aim at an operating income of 55 billion Japanese yen, ROE of 8% or more, ROA of 5% or more through the above-mentioned strategies.